Hi guys, what I want to talk with you guys about today is the outrage about parents hiring tutors to help their kids learn how to play Fortnite better. Now when I first read that headline I thought, oh, that's a bit silly, but it makes sense where if your kid is feeling bad about not being as good at his hobby as he would want to, if you can afford it, there's nothing wrong with wanting to pay someone who's a bit better to help your kid learn how to be better at his hobby or her hobby. That's absolutely fine. But the absolute uproar and over the top behaviour of some people about this, it's been really pissing me off. I've seen people say stupid crap like, oh, this is why the younger generation is stupid, this is why parents are absolutely terrible. Just really over the top, ridiculous statements. I have children. One of my children used to like acting and dancing and such like. I paid for them to go to acting classes. Only, you know, the kind of little ones that you have at the community hall. But I paid for that. Not because I thought that child was going to become an actor or use that skill anywhere in life, but because it was their hobby that I wanted to support. I think hobbies are a good thing. I know from my children are a complete sociopath, so obviously I'm going to have them sent to martial arts lessons. But seriously, as a parent, you tend to support your children's hobbies, especially if you can afford to. I'm sure the people up in arms about this wouldn't think twice about parents paying for a tennis instructor or a chess coach or an art teacher, writing teacher. There's so many different kind of tutors you can have to help you improve at your hobbies. And just because Fortnite is a video game, that doesn't change anything. One person that I read about this said, oh, well, it's something that they should just play themselves to learn how to get better. We're teaching our kids that they're not allowed to fail. Excuse me? That's not true. If you're not good at chess, you have your chess coach, who we already spoke about, chess tutor. Tennis, you have your tennis teacher. So there's so many different kinds of hobbies where you might not be good at it at first, but by having the right kind of coaching and teaching, you get better at it. That's fine. As a PUBG person, I don't really understand much about Fortnite, but I have no problems with parents paying for tutors to help their kids with their hobbies. There's nothing wrong with that. And if you have a problem with that, that's fair enough. But to go over the top crazy with calling people stupid and how the younger generation are ridiculous, it's just too much. It's way too much. So that's how Emma sees it. Take care.